Today we're going to be making brownies, but with a twist. This brownie mix was BOGO at Publix, so I'm just going to use this as the base. This is a little fudge packet, just save this on the side. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. I like to use a torch for this and start from the bottom up. I'm going to go ahead and get our pan ready. It says spray the bottom of the pan with ham, so we're just going to get this ready. And then you want to go ahead and massage your packet for 15 times. After therapy, you want to go ahead and get the contents open. I like to use Cutco scissors for this. They're extremely sharp and they're pretty effective. Go ahead and empty your contents in a bowl. You need some large eggs, so I'm going to start measuring. I couldn't find one, so I just used what I had. Next, you want to go ahead and add 1/3 CUP of water, a 1/3 CUP of vegetable juice. That looks about right. And your fudge packet. The box says to go ahead and stroke it 50 times, so go ahead and stroke it 50. Consistency looks perfect, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in the dish. The bottom of the pan's really slippery, so I'm just going to use this. I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes. Your brownies are done if no batter sticks on your toothpick when you poke it. Perfect. Done. Taste test. Yummy. Mine didn't come out like this picture. I knew I should have used the large egg.